Okay, the next strategy I'm going to teach is the number line strategy. And with the number line strategy, again, I'm going to use 36 plus 47, and I'm going to draw part of the number line. Now the students know that the number line goes this way and it continuously goes that way also, and this is just a chunk of the number line. So we're going to start at the first number, which is 36, and then we're going to jump first by our tens and then by our ones. So first we'll jump 40 and then we'll jump 7. To show a jump of 40, you just show a jump of 10 like this. 10 and 20 and 30 and 40. And then you label each one of those jumps. It's very important with the number line that you label both the top, which is your jumps, and the bottom of the number line, which is where you land. So if I start on 36 and I jump 10, I land on 46. 10 more, 56. 10 more, 66. And 10 more, 76. Then the next thing we would do is jump by our ones, which is 7. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes, if you need to continue out with your number line, that's totally fine. And then label the top, 1, 1, jump, these are all jumps of 1. And then I got to label the bottom. So 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83 is where they land. And I always have them circle the answer. All right, now there's a possibility of a problem using the number line in that when you jump by ones, the space in which they're writing is going to be really small and tiny because ones are closer together. So they need to be very, very diligent in making sure that they write the number in the correct spot and they don't, miscount just because of their handwriting. Eventually, I would like for the students to be able to do this. I'd like for them to have their number line, again, start on 36, jump 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, label the top, .76, and then I'd like for them to start thinking in terms of 10, of what is our next 10 that we would land on after 76. The next 10 that we would land on, or the next friendly number as I like to call it, would be 80. And how would I get from 76 to 80? And hopefully the students are, understanding and remembering and recalling their base 10 facts that 6 plus 4 equals 80. So that would be a jump of 4. And then with the number 7, if I've already jumped 4, I have 3 left. So just make one jump of 3, and then I land on 83. The kids might, some of them might not be at the stage where they can separate it out like that, but that's what we're going to be working towards. And so basically, if you're working with your student on the number line strategy, make sure they label the top, make sure they label where they land, and make sure that when they're writing, it's very important for them to be neat. Okay, that's the number line strategy.